Most drivers think a dash cam is enough to protect them. But what happens when you're backing out of a tight parking spot or merging onto a busy street? That's where a high-quality rear camera comes in. Today on Autovated, we're diving into the Vantrue E360 E2 2.7K adjustable rear camera, designed to complement your front-facing dash cam and give your vehicle full coverage. This rear camera upgrade promises 2.7K Super HD recording with Starvis technology, an f1.8 fixed lens, and a 160 degrees wide-angle view to minimize blind spots. Enhanced WDR and Super Night Vision aim to deliver clear video even in low light, capturing license plates, road signs, and critical details that could matter in an accident. Installation is straightforward. Just plug the camera into your E360 or E2 front dash cam using the included 20-foot cable. Vantrue claims compatibility with most vehicles: cars, SUVs, trucks, Jeeps, minivans, and sedans, making it versatile for a wide range of drivers. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and competitor comparisons to break this product down for you. Let's talk key features. First, the 2.7K Super HD with Starvis sensor ensures your rear footage is crisp and usable for insurance or legal purposes. Second, the enhanced WDR and Super Night Vision help maintain visibility in tricky lighting conditions. Think dimly lit parking lots or nighttime drives. Third, the 160-degree wide-angle lens drastically reduces blind spots, giving drivers more confidence when reversing. And finally, the plug-and-play installation with the extended 20-foot cable keeps setup simple, even for non-technical users. Pros: the camera delivers sharp video with reliable night vision, significantly reduces rear blind spots, and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. The installation process is smooth, and the build quality aligns with Vantrue's reputation. Cons: some users report occasional alignment adjustments are needed after installation, and the 24 FPS frame rate may not capture fast-moving objects as fluidly as higher FPS options. Compared to competitors like the Rexing V1P Pro or Thinkware F200 Pro, the Vantrue E360 rear camera offers superior resolution, but competitors may have slightly better frame rates or smartphone integration features. If this breakdown is helping you and you want to keep your rear view crystal clear, hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss future gear that keeps you safer on the road. The Vantrue E360 rear camera uses durable materials and is designed to last, with Starvis and Super Night Vision technologies backed by consistent positive feedback from verified buyers. Vantrue's customer support is generally responsive, providing reassurance if installation questions arise, though most users won't need assistance beyond the initial setup. Who is this camera for? Daily commuters, families, and anyone who frequently drives in tight urban spaces will benefit from the added rear coverage. It's less ideal for drivers who prioritize full smartphone integration or higher frame rates for ultra-smooth footage. Strong option: if you want full rear visibility and clear footage in any lighting, the Vantrue E360 rear camera is one of the stronger choices in its class. For drivers seeking additional features like higher FPS or smartphone alerts, consider the Rexing V1P Pro as an alternative. Thanks for watching this breakdown on Autovated. The link to grab the Vantrue E360 rear camera is in the comments box. Have questions or already using it? Drop your thoughts below. Until next time, drive smart, stay protected, and keep your ride fully automated.